Hi, this is Kari St. Denis again. My products can be found in 2 locations currently, wingedkey.com, and I also have an Etsy site. The title is Peach Pop Northwest. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the cable lock system to secure your cell phone box. In another video, we already did discuss how to fill the box, how to organize the box, how to secure the box with the long shanked padlock. Today, I'm going to tell you how to secure this box to a location in a room. I have a cable lock that I've designed. You can buy your very own cable lock. You can make your cable. You could choose not to have a cable. It's your choice. But if you fear that someone will walk away with a box filled with cell phones, you might want to consider a way to lock it down. So I made this, and you can order them from me on my site, so you'll find how to order them. This one appears to be about 5 feet in height, maybe a little longer. And as you recall, there are a couple holes on the back. One reason is you can put a charging cord in case a kid is freaked out that their phone is going to die, and I get that. You could put a charging cord in, charge up their phone, they're happy. It's also a nice way to carry the box, but the original design for the hole is for the cable lock. So again, using my cable, your cable, it's designed to put it through one hole, put it through another hole. Most teachers will wrap this around like an AV cart, a loop, a desk, maybe a hole that they have in the desk for wires for their computers, and then simply padlock it together. Now, no one can walk away with the box filled with phones. It is secured to a location in your classroom. After securing this to a location in your classroom, you padlock it. Don't forget the long shanked lock for securing the box. And now you're secure, ready for a full day, a whole class period, Sunday school class, youth group, basically whatever. You're good to go. Thank you.